Hi, what do you have? It's a boiled egg, yeah. If you drop it, Boomer will eat it, and that's the end. So you better eat it good. The yummy? Uh-oh, you separate the egg and white and yolk. You're gonna gag if I put this in her. Okay, you don't want the yellow? That is mean. I don't like mean boy. Put it in your mouth. No? Okay, fine. I'll give it to Boo Boo later. Oh, Mama will eat it. Your dinner's over? That's it? Hmm? I know Boomer is licking it underneath, huh? Mr. Licker! Does it feel tickle? Yes, tickle. Say bye-bye. Oh. Is it tickle? Is it tickle? Okay, say bye. You wanna say bye-bye? Toma, you wanna say bye-bye first? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye to camera, honey. Bye-bye. Kiss, kiss, Toma. Good job. Okay, bye.